this is Pan. Pan's our Billy, 6 months old. Sweet as a little coconut, aren't you?
A little button he is.
He has a little button. Yeah, you keep trying to suckle our fingers, don't you? Yes, you do. Look at that little nose, yeah. So Pan is going to be our homeboy, basically, and he's going to father all of our kids from now on. So we'll be freshening our girls and selling the kids. And if we do decide to keep one of the new does, then of course we'll bring in a Billy or send her off to be mated. But we wanted to keep him because he's so sweet. He's been an absolute joy to keep, and he's so friendly. And we actually like the fact he's not been polled as well.
Yeah.
It just really suits him.
We
And he
love
is
the
very
sort of ones.
gentle.
He's very gentle.
Yeah.
I don't think he's going to do any harm. You know, we're teaching him good manners, aren't we?
Yeah.
Good boy. Hey, oh.
But
Are you sucking my thumb again? Oh, bless you.
why he does
You're
that?
not a baby anymore, darling.
But he came out of Hereford. There's a lady up in Newton St Margaret's who had them, and she had some does, and she had a very old doe that was, God, 14.
She was ancient, yeah.
She was
14,
absolutely
15.
ancient. But it was lovely to see them all out together. So yes, that's Pan. Got his papers. They're not related, so no inbreeding. No.